Hello, my little friend. Today we are going to make a top. So, are you excited? Let's see what do we have in our book. We have 3 steps right here. All we have to do is follow them and make our top. Let's grab our pencil and start drawing. At first, we are going to make 4 dots. Yes, these 4 dots are going to be the top, bottom, left and right side of the top. So let's start making it. Yes, we are going to make a diamond shape first. This looks lovely. Once we are done with that, let's start making this beautiful curve right here. Yes, it needs to be outside of our diamond. Can we make this together? You can keep your book however you like. Let's make this nicely. And now, let's join the opposite sides of the diamond with a curve. Continue making one more curve on top. And then one more above that. Let's try and keep equal distance between the curved lines. After that, let's make this V at the bottom. And then make this on the top with a circle. That's amazing. Let's erase this overlapping or rough drawing. Complete the erased part. And then the next step we'll do is start sketching. Yes, for this we will require a black sketch pen. Can we do this together? That's lovely. We will go slow while doing the outlines. And make sure that you do not overlap 2 sketch pen marks, one on top of another. Let's sketch this nicely. Complete the top by making the bottom part. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. And look, we have started coloring. Can you tell me which color this is? Yes, this is a blue color. So let's start doing the outline with blue color in this curved portion. Yes, this is the biggest curved portion we have here. Can we color in one direction? That's amazing. Where else do you see the blue color? Yes, that's where you see it. So, let's do it there as well. Once we are done with the outline, we will start coloring in sleeping line. This looks great. Can you tell me which is the next color? Yes, this is a warm color. You're absolutely right. It's a red color. So let's take our red color and do the outline. This is lovely. Can we start coloring inside now? Well, yes, without keeping any white spaces. This is amazing. Let's color only in one direction. Go very slow while coloring. Do not forget to do the outline first. Now we will color the circle which is on top. That's amazing. Can we take a grey color and do this bottom part? And this stick as well? That's lovely.